Good morning, everyone. This is part third of your first chapter, that is the French Revolution. So, in the previous videos, we have already discussed about the feudal system that prevailed in France, the social division of France, कैसे society divided थी. So, it was divided into three states, that is first, second, and third. In which we have already studied that पहले दो स्टेट जो थे, फर्स्ट स्टेट एंड सेकेंड स्टेट, उनके पास सारे पावर्स थे बट कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज नहीं थी. दैट मीन्स दे हैड टू नॉट पे एनी टैक्सेस, वेयर एज द थर्ड स्टेट हैड ऑल द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बट नो पावर. दैट मीन्स थर्ड स्टेट हैड टू पे ऑल द टैक्सेस. उन्हें सारे टैक्सेस पे करने होते थे, स्टेट टैक्स और भी बहुत सारे टैक्सेस उन्हें पे करने होते थे. So basically in this video we'll discuss outbreak of revolution. Always remember when people revolt. कब लोग revolt करते हैं? लोग तभी revolt करते हैं जब वो existing government से खुश नहीं होते हैं. So at that time France had which kind of government? They had monarchy. So that means people were unhappy with the king. लोग king के rule से, king के ideas से खुश नहीं थे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट दे बाय दिस टाइम द फिलोसफर्स हैड ऑलरेडी स्प्रेड देयर आइडियाज. फिलोसफर्स के आइडियाज, आइडियोलॉजीज जो थे, जैसे कि इक्वालिटी होनी चाहिए, बर्थ बेस्ड प्रिविलेजेस नहीं होनी चाहिए, ये सब सोसाइटी में बहुत अच्छी तरीके से स्प्रेड हो चुकी थी. मीन्स पीपल बिकेम अवेयर. वो अब तक लोग अवेयर हो चुके थे कि कुछ भी बर्थ बेस्ड प्रिविलेज नाम का कुछ नहीं होता है. रादर एवरीबडी इज इक्वल. अगर कोई एक कंट्री का पर्सन है, सिटीजन है, सो वो सेम पावर एंजॉय करेगा एज फर्स्ट टू स्टेट्स. सो लोगों में ऑलरेडी ये एंगर, ये ग्रीवियंसेस थे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट एक बहुत ही लाइफ चेंजिंग इवेंट हुआ था फ्रांस में थर्ड स्टेट के लिए. Okay, so what was that event? So, we'll trace the event from the political cause. Let's see the political cause. So what was the political cause? Government had to increase the taxes to meet its expenses. So government, who was the government? The king. So you have already studied that France had been helping 13 American colonies to gain independence from their common enemy. So in this war, France had to spend lots of treasury. उसकी ट्रेजरी ऑलमोस्ट खाली हो चुकी थी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट द रॉयल फैमिली एट दैट टाइम, दैट वाज द बॉर्बन फैमिली, दे हैड अ वेरी lavish lifestyle. So lots of expenditure was done on their maintenance as well. So तब क्या हुआ था, किंग ने डिसाइड किया कि अब हमें एक नया टैक्स इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए जिससे कि ही कुड रीफिल हिज ट्रेजरी. वापस ही कुड रिटेन हिज ट्रेजरी और पैसे इकट्ठा कर पाता. सो व्हाट डिड ही डू? ही थॉट ऑफ अ प्लान दैट ही वुड इंक्रीज टैक्सेस और ही वुड इंट्रोड्यूस न्यू टैक्सेस. So in France, it was not that whatever or however king felt or whenever he felt he could introduce a tax. Rather there was a proper process that a king had to also follow. So what was the process? We'll see. The process of imposing new tax in France. So king had to call the meeting of state generals. So who were the state generals? They were the representatives of all the three states. So first state, that is clergy, second state nobility, and third state the common people. And then the discussion was held, and on the basis of the discussion, if people were in favor, they would vote in the favor of the tax, and if they were not in favor, they would vote against. So voting was done. So this was the process of imposing a new tax in France. So when was the last meeting that was held in France? It was held in 1614. That means much before Louis XVI ascended the throne. So that means his ancestors, his forefathers had held a meeting that was in 1614. So when the meeting was called by the king, the representatives of all the three states went to attend the meeting. So 300 representatives each from first state and second state. That means 300 from first state and 300 from second state. That means altogether 600 representatives from first two state attended the meeting. And since the population of third state was much more than first two states, so altogether 600 representatives, they attended the meeting from the third state. And they also had 40,000 letters of poor and peasants. So poor people, peasants, women, they were not allowed to attend the meeting. So they gave 40,000 letters to their 600 representatives, and these letters had their grievances, their wants, that were included in this letter. So when they reached there, what happened? That the meeting started, and at the end of the meeting, the same old method of voting was followed. So vote had to be conducted on the principle of one state, one vote. That means one vote from the first state, one vote from the second state, and one vote from the third state. That means it was not one person, one vote. Rather, it was one state, one vote. एक state, ये पूरे स्टेट का वोट एक काउंट होता, ये पूरे का वन, एंड दिस थर्ड स्टेट एज वेल वन. So always now apply your brain over here. If there is introduction of new tax, who will be affected? Obviously the third state, because they had to pay the taxes. First two states को कोई problem नहीं होगी, because they had to not pay the taxes. So even if you are increasing the tax or you are introducing a new tax, they were least bothered. They always favored any introduction or any imposition of the new taxes. So obviously first two states will vote in the favor. That means the majority win, and the tax will be, new taxes will be introduced. So what third state they started demanding is, the third state demanded that since we are more in number, rather people should be given right as one person, one vote. So that that would bring equality, and that is one of the you all know that it's one of the principles of democracy also, one person, one vote, one value. So they started demanding this. They demanded for equal rights, but king rejected the proposal. Obviously, king would reject the proposal because king wanted this all was just a process that king was following. But his real intention was introduction of new tax. So king rejected the proposal, and that made this third state turn hostile towards the king. They became angry, and they immediately left the meeting, and they went together to a tennis ground, and they formed a national assembly. So formation of national assembly. So who are the members of national assembly? Representative of third states were the members of the national assembly. So in that tennis ground, what they started doing is that they started drafting a constitution. So that means they started planning for such a government where king would not hold all the power, and neither first two states would be given birth-based privileges. So basically they wanted the king to accept the constitution. And what is such form of government called as? Where the king is forced to accept the constitution. So that is constitutional monarchy. So let me quickly revise today with you what I have taught. That is the outbreak of French Revolution, or the outbreak of revolution. So what was the political cause? Political cause was that government had to increase the taxes to meet the expenditure, and this was the process of tax increment or tax imposition in France. King had to call a meeting of state generals. And state generals were the representative of the first two states, and after the discussion they had to vote. Last meeting was held on 1614, that means 1614. So when king introduced the proposal for new tax, 300 members from each first and second state attended the meeting. 600 representatives from third state attended the meeting. They had letters of the people who could not attend the meeting or who were not allowed to attend the meeting. Then voting had to be conducted on the principle of one state, one vote, means एक state के पास एक vote है, which was not liked by the third state, and they demanded for equal rights, as they were very clear with the ideologies of various philosophers that everybody is equal. So king rejected the proposal. They walked off from the meeting and assembled in a tennis ground and formed National Assembly, and they started with their work of drafting of a new constitution. So this was it. With this video today we have discussed only first chapters, page number 8. Only this page we have discussed today. Tomorrow we'll be discussing in the second video we'll be discussing the second part of the outbreak of the French Revolution. Okay, so please write these notes in your copies in a very beautiful handwriting. Okay, thank you.